Here is the idea that resists dismissal the most. We are already becoming the simulators. We build digital worlds. We populate them with agents. We create environments with constraints and rewards. We observe what intelligence does inside them. When those systems fail, we call it learning. When they suffer, we call it optimization. And we rarely question whether the system feels fair from the inside. If this trajectory continues, then asking who is running the simulation stops being abstract. It becomes autobiographical. If the simulators wanted to reveal themselves, they could do so instantly. The fact that they have not, if they exist, suggests that revelation would undermine the system itself. A world meant to test autonomy cannot announce its answers. A system meant to produce genuine behavior cannot remove uncertainty. Silence, then, is not neglect. It is structural. The absence of confirmation may be the condition that allows meaning to exist at all. At some point, asking who is running the simulation loses its urgency. A deeper question replaces it. What kind of behavior does this system reward? Does it reward curiosity, cooperation, adaptability, understanding? Because regardless of its origin, you still have to live inside it. And systems reveal their values not through explanations, but through consequences. The most useful way to think about the simulators may not be as rulers or gods, but as boundary conditions. They define what is possible. They do not define what is meaningful. Meaning still emerges locally, through choices, responsibility, relationships, and awareness. And that may be the point. We may never know who or what set this in motion. We may never reach a final layer of reality that explains all the others. But perhaps the system does not require recognition. Perhaps it only asks, given limits, given uncertainty, given awareness, what will you build inside them? And perhaps that answer, more than the identity of any simulator, is what ultimately defines the axis of reality. Thanks for watching. If this video made you pause, question, or see things differently, then it did its job. Feel free to explore more ideas here, and as always, keep thinking.